Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams that are ready to capture all the action on the road. On the left, we have the Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam, and on the right, we have the Pilot dash camera.
Get ready for some high-speed comparisons.
Let's talk about video quality because when it comes to dash cams, you want crystal clear footage. The Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam boasts a dual lens system with 1080p resolution, capturing both the road front and inside your cabin. It's like having eyes in the back of your head.
Plus, it has infrared night vision for those late-night drives. On the other side, we have the Pilot dash camera, which takes it up a notch with a 3-channel system that records up to 4K resolution on the front and 1080p on the rear. It's like having a Hollywood production crew in your car.
And with its super night vision, you won't miss a single detail even in the darkest of nights. Now let's talk about parking mode.
The Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam has a 24-hour motion-activated parking mode that automatically starts recording when it detects any motion around your vehicle. Say goodbye to those pesky hit-and-run incidents.
On the other hand, the Pilot dash camera requires a separate hardware kit for its parking mode, so keep that in mind.
But once you have it set up, it offers continuous recording to protect your vehicle from theft or vandalism. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your car. Memory storage is crucial when it comes to dash cams. The Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam supports up to a whopping 256 GB micro SD card, giving you plenty of space for all your road adventures.
No need to worry about running out of memory during a long trip. Meanwhile, the Pilot dash camera comes with a free U332 GB micro SD card, which is a great start.
But keep in mind that when the storage limit is reached, it automatically overwrites the old recordings.
So if you're planning a cross-country road trip, you might want to consider upgrading your memory card. Let's talk about extreme temperatures because we all know cars can turn into saunas or freezers depending on the weather.
The Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam is built to handle temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for any climate. No matter how hot or cold it gets, this dash cam will stick with you through it all. As for the Pilot dash camera, it's equipped with a heat-resistant chipset and adhesive pad, ensuring it stays securely attached to your windshield, even in extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit.
So whether you're driving in the scorching desert or the icy tundra, this dash cam has got your back. Let's take a look at what customers have to say about these dash cams.
And that's a wrap, folks.
We've compared the Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam and the Pilot dash camera, and now it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best.
Remember, safety on the road is a top priority, so choose wisely.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more product comparisons, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay smart, stay safe, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.
Happy driving!